Alright guys, we're back, and this is step 2 in our video series on how we learn how to use AI to generate images and create a cinematic story for videos. Okay, so now step 1, we dealt with character description, how to describe your character, going from how they look and the color of their hair, their complexion, then their structure, are they slim, are they chubby, and so on and so forth. Also what they wear and their facial expressions. Okay, so in step 2 we are going to prepare the scene prompts. We are going to put our characters in scenes. So here, for each scene, we will combine the character descriptions with the cinematic scene description. Okay, so already I've done my prompt, so I'm going to just take you through how the prompts are structured. Alright, so with the help of ChatGPT, I was able to structure my scene prompts. I'm sure in other videos you learned how to structure your prompts properly, so that this should not be new to you. So scene 1, it's a village scene, opening shot. Alright, realistic African cinematic shot. You can see the word realistic there, meaning that it should have a more realistic feel, you know, just like your normal day-to-day video. It's not like it's in cartoon form or 3D or 2D. Alright, it's realistic. Okay, so white sunrise, view of a peaceful rural village with clay houses, scattered palm trees and distant hills. Children run and play in the background. In the foreground, Tunde, and you can see it here, 8-year-old African boy, warm brown skin, short curly black hair, thin frame, sad eyes, wearing a faded brown wrapper tied at the waist, no shirt, and worn out slippers. Expression: quiet, obedient, kind. Sweeps the dusty ground of a modest compound. The light is soft and golden. Okay, so you can see the way this prompt is structured. Okay, now look at the character description there. Tunde always had that his description after we called his name, so that the AI can know who exactly it is we are describing and generates the image for us. Okay, so if we scroll down to scene 2, let's see what we have there. So scene 2, mid shot of Tunde, of course, and exactly they are looking at it again. 8-year-old African boy, warm brown skin, short curly black hair, thin frame, sad eyes, wearing a faded brown wrapper tied at the waist, no shirt, and worn out slippers. Expression: quiet, obedient, kind. Bending over, fetching water from a large clay pot. Sweat trickles down his forehead. The background shows a sunlit, cracked earth compound and a simple clay house. He looks exhausted but quiet and focused. So if you go through all the scenes, you see where each character is described there and put in the scene. Then, as we were taught in other videos, I'm sure we were taught how to train ChatGPT to create your prompts in a more structured way or format. Okay, so this shouldn't be new. So this is just going through the motions. Okay, in scene 4, you see Maabola again, you know, in her descriptive, she's well described, just like how we did before. So scene 5, Tunde and Bola, they are here and their descriptions follow, and so on and so forth. Okay, so alright, now that we have gone through all the scenes and we have seen that everything is the way it should be, we'll go forward to step 3.